AI is changing very quickly, and 2026 is going to be the most important year so far. Are you ready to boost your productivity? We're going to look at the top 5 AI tools that can change the way you work. You don't want to miss tool number 1. It's a total game changer. But first, make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get updates on our new videos. DeepSeek is number 5. DeepSeek is the first AI research assistant that will change the way you find information. DeepSeek scans billions of academic papers, articles, and even niche websites in seconds, giving you clear, tailored summaries of the information you need. This tool saves you hours of boring work so you can focus on your big ideas, whether you're a student, a professional, or a researcher. And the best part? It has a sleek interface and customizable filters that make it very easy to use. Want to stay ahead of the game? DeepSeek isn't just useful, it's necessary. For RunwayML. RunwayML is here to help you be more creative with your visuals. This new AI tool is a game changer for editing videos and photos, so every content creator needs it. RunwayML makes it faster, easier, and more inspiring than ever to make YouTube videos, graphics for social media that stop people in their tracks, or even great movies. RunwayML turns hours of tedious editing into a matter of minutes by adding realistic effects, making low-res videos look amazing, and removing unwanted objects with precision. Say goodbye to getting mad about pixels and hello to having more time for creative genius. The best part? RunwayML is very easy to use. You don't have to be a pro editor to make professional-looking visuals with it, whether you're a first-time designer or a veteran filmmaker. This tool breaks down walls and lets everyone make their dreams come true. RunwayML is more than just a tool, it's your creative superpower. This AI powerhouse makes sure you get amazing results with no stress. Whether you're making an Instagram reel or a full-length movie, are you ready to let your creativity run wild? RunwayML has everything you need. Check out this video in the corner if you want to see more tricks and tips. 3. ChatGPT 5. ChatGPT 5, the AI that everyone is talking about, comes in at number 3. This isn't just another chatbot. It's a game-changing powerhouse that is changing how we use technology. ChatGPT 5 can handle just about anything you throw at it. It's faster, smarter, and more creative than ever. Need an article written in a few minutes? Finished. Code that is hard to understand for your app? Not a problem. A great marketing email or a creative brainstorming session? It has everything you need. Imagine having an assistant who is always there to help you reach your goals and works very quickly. What really works? ChatGPT 5 understands context and nuance better than ever, which makes conversations sound natural, meaningful, and almost human. ChatGPT 5 is easy to use for anyone, whether you're a writer looking for ideas, a marketer who needs quick, interesting copy, or a business owner planning your next big move. It stands out in many fields because it is flexible, fast, and encourages more creativity. ChatGPT 5 is changing the game for AI by making workflows easier and coming up with ideas you never thought of before. Believe me, this is only the beginning, and there are many more things that can happen. Want to see what all the fuss is about? Let ChatGPT 5 blow your mind. 2. Gemini Advanced. Meet Gemini Advanced, the AI that can do a lot of things at once. This AI tool is going to be the best place for you to play if you're a visual artist, graphic designer, or just someone who loves to make things. Think about making beautiful digital art and drawings from just a few simple text prompts. Sounds like magic, doesn't it? That's exactly what Midjourney does. This cutting-edge AI can easily turn your ideas into reality, from jaw-dropping landscapes to surreal concepts and complex designs. It's like having a whole team of designers inside your laptop, ready to work whenever you get an idea. What's even better? Midjourney is very easy to use. This platform is simple to use and a lot of fun, whether you're an experienced artist or just starting out in digital art. You'll be speechless at how it can turn words into colorful, detailed pictures. Do you need a mood board for your next project? Original art for ads, presentations, or even your own art? Don't worry, Midjourney has you covered. So, there you have it, guys. The top 5 AI tools of 2025 that will change how we work and create. Which one are you most excited to try first? Please leave a comment to let me know. If you're ready to jump in, look at the links in the description and start your journey today. Please like this video, subscribe to get more, and click the bell icon so you never miss any new tools or tips. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you again in the next video.